Hey Duggee the Jam Badge. Look at that strawberry jam. Today the Squirrel Club are playing outside. Duggee is collecting fruit from his garden. Can you see what fruit he has? I can see an apple, an orange, a pear, a lemon and a banana. What are you going to do with it all, Duggee? Asks Betty. The squirrels have a long think. Hmm. What's that around your mouth, Tag? It's the jam I had for breakfast. Tag has helped Duggee decide what to do with the fruit. He's going to make jam! Yay! Cheer the squirrels. Duggee shows the squirrels how to make jam. Ah, woof! First you put the fruit in the pot. Then you get a spoon and stir it. While the squirrels listen carefully to Duggee, Naughty Monkey sneaks up and steals all the fruit. Oh no! Duggee can't make jam without fruit. What a naughty monkey! Don't worry, Duggee, shout the squirrels. We'll get it back. Naughty monkey, naughty monkey. Naughty Monkey carries the fruit up the hill, all the way to the top. The squirrels run after him. Naughty Monkey doesn't want the squirrels to catch him. He starts throwing the fruit at them. Naughty monkey, naughty monkey. Watch out, squirrels! The squirrels jump out of the way of the bouncing fruit. Duggee waits at the bottom of the hill. All the fruit comes rolling back to him. Soon there is nothing left for Naughty Monkey to throw. Ah, woof! Naughty Monkey is sad. What will he do now? Don't cry, Naughty Monkey, says Tag. We're making jam. Would you like to help? Naughty Monkey nods. The squirrels and Naughty Monkey go to find Duggee. Jam time! First, the squirrels put the fruit in the pot. Duggee starts with a pear, then comes a strawberry, a lemon, orange, mango, banana. Duggee gets a spoon and stirs the pot. The fruit turns into icky, sticky jam. When the jam has cooled down, Duggee pours it into a jar. The squirrels and Naughty Monkey take a sniff. It smells good. The jam is ready. Time for jammy toast, shout the squirrels, running to the clubhouse. Naughty Monkey follows, nodding his head. Duggee puts bread into the toaster. When toast pops out, he spreads it with jam. There's a slice for Tag, Norrie, Betty, Happy, Rolly and Naughty Monkey. Well done, squirrels. You've earned your jam badges. Now there's just time for one last thing before the squirrels go home. Duggee hug!